Here we are in the middle of a blizzard. It is February 9th, I believe, 2013. Really see much out of this window as it's covered up with snow. We're on the 3rd floor, trying to get a little bit of a view. I would guess we've had a good 2 feet of snow anyways right now. It's hard to tell with everything drifting. We will head down a little bit better as we go see. 50-mile-an-hour winds. We're supposed to get another 18 inches, 12 to 18 inches before the storm ends. You can see the snow in between the barns that have kind of joined up over there, sort of in between the roofs where it blows and drifts. Here we're looking outside. Cooper's going to run and show you how deep the snow is right now, right up to his little. Yeah, almost up his leg. Run around, Coopy. Go ahead. It's kind of windy out here and very snowy. You coming back in? Come on. Here you can see the snow piled up on the front door, on the back door, should I say, of our breezeway. A better angle from the ground. We're getting ready to venture outside here. Everyone uses the term blizzard often, but rarely do we actually have blizzard conditions, so this is a chance to actually get out into a real blizzard. You can see the snow down at a lower angle to give you an idea just how much snow we have right now. We had no snow yesterday on the ground. Grass was everywhere. There's the snow plow. There's the snow. Here's the blizzard weather part out here. You can see the snow blowing around or not. Winds blowing up to 50-mile-an-hour winds, and snow just coming straight down. I can't go out any further until I actually clear a part with the snow blower, and then we'll get a little further and we'll go from there. Okay, we're going to venture outside here a little bit. I've been trying to snow blow the driveway. If you can really see much of the snow in this picture. Winds are still blowing, not real bad. There are a few trucks out on the road. This was literally just snow blowed 30 seconds ago, and you really can't see. It was down to the gravel, and now it's already starting to cover up with snow again. It's cold enough with it that when the snow does hit the engine, it melts, and then it turns around and refreezes almost instantly. To get over there with the snow plow has helped, along with snow drifts over by the barns. Look up and see the roof. I tried to point out earlier, it's not as bad as it looked like from the roof, but there is still quite a bit of snow in between here. And this snow here, I got this at eye level right now. Give you an idea of where we are. Right there is the, so it's coming in, right about 5 feet or so. I'd say 4.5 feet at this point. Just down here, I had to shovel through here, go into the barns. You can see the snow has made itself through any crack that it could find. Over here, the tractors, they're all covered with snow. Everything. If there's a hole in the barn, which this is an old barn, and there are a few, the snow got in it. Everything is white in here. Here you get to see the house. And the wind blowing. Down the road a little bit. And the front of the house. Again, that porch is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps high. You can see the snow is just about even with the porch in some areas. Well, back to work. Try to get More of the snow removed. We're still expecting probably another 6 hours of snowstorm at least, but I got to keep up with it. Heading back out. It's calming down a little bit. I was able to get some of this stuff snow blowed up to just give Cooper a chance to go to the bathroom. Oh, Coopy, you had a rough time out there today, didn't you? It was cold this morning, he says. It was cold. Yeah, run around. Be his little dog track. We're going to go over to the side of the house and see how much snow we have here. It's pretty much protected from the drifts, so give us an accurate reading. We're right now at about 20 inches, so not too bad. Not the biggest storm. Obviously, there's other areas that are higher. And if we go over to this side over here, we're right about 22 inches. Waves. Psycho dog is attacking me. He's having a good time out here. And the wind is still blowing pretty good. If we look over here to the back of the house, you can see just how high the snowbanks are and the drifts on the roof. Pretty high there that you can see the doorknob right there, and then come over there, directly over, and you got a good 2, almost 3 feet of drift up there.